Love a crate. Good. Bye, baby. Okay. Yikes. I got a sweater, a motorcycle jacket, a band-aided windbreaker. 38 degrees is pretty, that's pretty cold. Alright, jacket's on. Funny fact, the R6 has a Alright, the bike's like 42 degrees outside. I thought this video was gonna be like 50 degrees. Not 42. With all my layers, my arms, my body, upper body's not. But my hands are definitely kind of cold. Oh. Man, why would you be out here? It's so cold. A little hand warmer right here with the coolant pipe. With the thicker top side on the gloves, my hands would be a little bit warmer, but yeah, air is still going through. Definitely better than the summer gloves I always wear. I couldn't feel my fingers right now. I assume though, at 80 miles an hour, 42 degrees Fahrenheit, the wind chill ought to be like, I don't know, data set right here. And we'll see what the wind chill is at 80 miles an hour, not 90. I assume it's like 28 degrees Fahrenheit. That's my guess. A couple years ago on my FZ07, I used to ride almost winter. We even got caught in some severe storms. Not storms, but a lot of rain. Curious what the coldest I've ridden is. I don't know if 42 is cold or not. People when it comes to riding. I feel like it is here in California. And I sold my Tacoma, so I don't really have a vehicle, unfortunately. Now I need a new car. Heated cane grips sound pretty good right now. Maybe I gotta get an S1000 double R because I know them package comes with those. roughly it takes you like 17 to 20 minutes to get to work, depending on how much traffic there is, or how many are in the carpool lane and they're not supposed to be. I think it's like 18.9 miles from my house. Roughly. Yeah, my right hand is freezing. My hand's getting worse. I could switch it out. Another thing with the S1000 I can get cruise control. You have to have my hands on the bars. Not actually, but my F-07 when I used to ride in the winter, I was gonna get hand guards to divert the air, at least a little bit. Never ended up getting them, but I think something like that could make a big difference. My pan is all nice and warm and chilling. Yeah, I can't even move my fingers. I can't move my pinky right now. It hurts. It hurts so good. Man. Worse than I remember. I don't know how I did this back then. Actually, granted, I never went on the freeway on my old job. It was like city to city road, straight down, like 20 miles. Freeway speed. This is so much worse. I really need a car. Buy like a $2,000 Honda Civic. Yeah, good MPG at least. I wonder if it is actually 38 degrees and my bike's lying to me. Maybe I need some hand warmers in my glove. I don't think I can do this much longer. Back to life. We're gonna pass you. Pass this person too. Alright, lady. Would it be an issue? Oh, I gotta pass this bus. Sorry, bus. If I had better gloves, it'd probably be much better. But man, winter gloves to me are just so thick. I feel like I can't feel the controls. And I literally thought these would help because the top parts are pretty thick. I don't know. Like this wind's still getting through that leather. Anyways, I don't know how long it took us to get to work, but my bike says 42 degrees. Google says it's 38. I'm gonna go with 40. Meet in the middle. Yeah, I guess it's my first daily ride video on the R6 too. Great. It is